Hi everybody, it's Tammy. I just wanted to do a flip through of my latest design team project for SweetPea Curiosities. I used her watercolor postcards and French ephemera and some, I think it's like 84 French letters that she has. I'm closing it with this cord. Did a little, this is one of those little Tim Holtz things right on the spine. I did a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and it's chunky. And just put a few little charms on here. But I had this upholstery fabric that I've had a while, and just kind of wanted to do something different. So it's taken me a while to finish it. And look at the edges here. Now, of course, I've used this brown paper, and I really wanted it to overlap and show. So it's just a different style for me, but I do love it. A little grungier. So I have a little lace pocket here. I lined it with vellum. I've used most of Sweet Peas, and I did, you know, I started out and this was going to be like a French journal, and it was going to have lots of fabric and lace. I'd kind of gotten the idea from Rachel. I can't think of her channel, but anyway, and then it turned into like a travel journal. I had this cardstock, and I thought that was really neat, and I thought, okay, that'll be a good liner. And then I had some tickets from Dust of Roses. She has some tickets, and so I used some of her tickets. Now this is from SweetPea Curiosities. This is one of the travel postcards. Really cute. So I did use some stuff from a few other designers. This is from the kit, the French ephemera kit from SweetPea. And I just added lace and a little doily thing there. These are both from SweetPea. I'll put that one down a little bit more. I'm not sure where I got that. Maybe from Scrimpingmommy. And this is from like an 1885 veterinary handbook. I just like the paper. This is from Antique Papery, and it's just one of the things. It just kind of fit with the desserts. I'm not sure why I wanted to do this, but I just got the idea that maybe it was a lady traveling and she loved all the French desserts, and so she wanted to put a picture of some in here. Maybe she had postcards from all around the world, and just a little collaging. This is from the kit, one of the kits. This is from some paper that I had, and I think this is probably Tim Holtz, I'm not sure, cardstock, and it just fit in there well. This is from the kit, and some of my avocado dyed paper. This is from the kit. Just kind of lined it with that same paper. And I think I got this in a swap the other day. And this is blank. I might put something on it. This is from the kit. I hope I'm in frame. This is from the kit, and I just kind of flipped it up. It's another one of those tickets from the kit. Just some little journaling spots. A French book that I had, and that was the size of the pages. I think both of those are from the kit, and they could put something over that if they wanted to, and journal on it. This is from the kit. This is from that veterinary book, 1893. Another one of the postcards from the kit, and I got this in a swap. And I just kind of made a little tuck. I mean, you could put something else in there. This is from the kit, the 84 different documents. And I just kind of put this on the other side of travel trunk and traveling bags. from an old Sears and Roebuck catalog. Another postcard and some avocado dyed paper. And not sure who had that. Maybe Scrimpingmommy. And just some journaling space on that just to flip over. I don't have a lot of flip outs in this. I don't know how y'all do it, if you decorate first and then you bind it, or if you bind it and then decorate. But I've got to where I wait to bind it and I decorate first, which can be a bit floppy. And I struggle with leaving a page blank, but I do love the aged look. This is from got a book at a library, and it was basically like a investigation of maybe a crime, and so they had lots of pages with this type on it, and just aged pages. That it was fiction, but it was really neat, and so I used some in here just as documents. Another one of the French documents from the kids, from SweetPea. Just prints really well on the deli paper, and that's from the kit. And I just made a little thing here. And just all different paper. It looks good, printed, all different papers. Love those kits. Because I know Rachel had, of course she has original documents, French documents, and I guess maybe Italian documents, since she's in Italy, but I didn't have any originals, so I just, I love that kit, and it worked out beautifully. And this is from the kit. This is from the kit. This is from Scrimpingmommy, and I just thought the blues went real well with all of this. From the kit, just a little, it's a French page from a French book, just something to journal. Used a lot of these little paper clips. Another one of the postcards. You see, that's from the kit. This is from another one of her kits, the blue lace. From the kit. This is, I think, from the kit also. These also, that's a doily I had, and I just took off all the fringe. Put some lace. That's from the kit. This is from that book, so it looks like a cablegram. It's really cool. That's from the kit. This is from the kit. I think that is. It may be from the book, so. The kit, from the kit. Just beautiful documents. And there may be some mixed in from Ruby and Pearl's documents also. I may have printed some of hers in the past, and I was just kind of gathering things, so they kind of got all mixed up in there. It's a single signature, but it's chomped full of ephemera. And like I said, I do struggle with a blank page, but I'm trying to let that go. And that's from the kit. Another postcard from the kit. Put like a map, so maybe the lady was traveling all around and she wanted a map. Other side of that letter, just put a little, this is a perfume thing from the kit. This I know is from Dust to Roses, because it's a railroad ticket kit. I think someone sent me this ephemera. Swap. So from the kit. Look how beautifully they print. This is parchment paper. That's from the kit. And somebody could put something over that, but I do like the typewriter. I don't have a vintage typewriter. and I don't use my printer for that. You know, I'm sure there's programs you can use to get that type, but anyway, this is from the kit, just a French paper from the kit. Just made a double little pocket here. Some wallpaper I had in the kit. Another document. I think this blue tag was from that book, but it just this has a lot of blue in it. So this is from the kit. It's from the kit. That's some tissue paper that I put down first. Another half of that. So there's lots of variety in the kit with the different colors. Another document. Just made a little pocket here. Put a few in it. It's from the kit. This document's from the kit, and I just put some embossed paper. I just gotta check them out. This is probably from the kit. It's just tea-dyed paper. It's from the kit. This is from Scrimpingmommy. The kit. And I recently acquired some music books also, and the music is like in a book that's 5x7, so it's just perfect to just kind of put a little hidden to use as washi or whatever. I love that it's already small. It's like Mozart, and it's adorable. Another postcard, and I'd made this paper clip. Just kind of that, and some more embossed paper, and a French like dictionary exercise. It's really old paper though. I hate that it bent because it'll probably tear. But this is from the kit. My favorite stencil I could not find. I'm redoing my crafting area, and so now I've lost so many things. Every time I redo it, it seems I lose several things. This may be Dust of Roses. I think these are from the kit. This is from the kit. Just kind of made a pocket there. Put some train tickets, etc. inside the little bag. These are from the kit. Did some stamping. This is from the kit. And a friend of mine gave me these little hat pins, so I included one there. And then the back inside cover. I did one of these little faux letters where it's a kind of a secret journaling spot. I think several people on YouTube have got how to make those. But that's it. Thank you for watching. This will be listed in my Etsy store within the next few days. I'm hoping by the 20th, and today is the 15th. So give me a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll try to put some details below. Thanks for watching. Bye.